How to fix 5G not working on iPhone. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your cellular data options. So launch your settings, navigate to the option cellular, click on the option cellular data options, click on the option voice and data, checking for the option 5G auto or 5G on. If it's stuck on LTE, switch it manually. Next thing you want to do is head back. Now scroll down and navigate to the option general, click on the option about. If a pop-up says carrier settings update, accept it. This often fixes connectivity bugs. Next up, scroll down and navigate to the option transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset network settings. Likewise, contact carrier or insert SIM. Check if your SIM card supports 5G. If not, contact your carrier. Some plans don't include 5G access. Also, 5G might not be available in your current location. Try moving outdoors or to a different area with better coverage. And that's it. These are some fixes for 5G not working on your device. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.